In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix all the story problems on Instagram is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone. As you can see, this is the settings page. Now all what you have to do is go to the apps manager. And after you click on apps manager, go to apps. And now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram like this and click on it. Click on data usage and make sure to enable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go back, click on the storage and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and this time click on force stop and restart your phone and then open Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.